Wala makukuha eh.
Ayun.
Here. Si Rodney.
Oh yeah, they only have
Si
one
Rodney pa,
driver.
Dad. Okay. Yan. Sisteming ka kay Busit. Yan.
Wow!
My goodness. I'm going to hanip. Ay, maghahanip. Masusundan si Rodney ah.
Nothing.
You're gonna have another little baby brother and sister.
Dali na.
That's for us.
Sasabihin! Thank you, Serena.
Diyan ka sa likod, Marico, para extra ka.
How do you guys know?
Data, where I go? Yeah. Kami, mama. Jordan and Pam, thank you.
Hey.
You know she's going on a trip, so she needs gift cards. Lots of outfits.
no.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, no. Stop. Stop.
I know, right?
Stop. Hey.
I have nothing to give for honeymoon. My goodness.
Who's that from? Wow.
Auntie Tessie.
Oh,
There's the card. Auntie Tessie, ang Uncle Boy. Wow.
nice. You might have another auntie and uncle, huh, Rodney? Who's that from?
Oh
My God! Wow!
Somebody loves me very much.
My God!
Somebody
Wow!
loves me very much. Thank you, son.
You're welcome. Wow!
Thank you, son.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Sin. Thank you, Xiao.
Oh, I didn't buy that.
Mark Andre.
Good.
Drive and left already?
Oh, you didn't bring the bag, Mom?
Meron pa daw, wala na.
Wala na. From Marico, salamat. Diyos ko, did you?
Paboritong kumare. Alam mo na. Bakit paboritong kumare?
Paborito niyang kumari
Aha.
yan eh. Papabanguhin ko yung kanyang bahay ng ano.
Si Dayday laging extra eh, oh.
Oh,
Talagang
at least eh, palagalan sa extra.
laging extra eh. Parang artista.
Hey, huwag mo lalagyan ng gasolina yan, baka magsiklab.
Stop.
Marico, ang ganda.
Wow! Special! Wow!
Mama, would you have your hug?
Hindi, binigyan na kita ng pabango niya, Mari. Thank you, Marico. Thank you. Wow. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Malang happy birthday!
Diyos ko.
The last but not the least.
Meron na,
Oh,
birthday ko rin.
House and lot yan.
house and lot.
Round trip ticket. Round trip ticket yan. Round trip ticket. Marico, Diyos ko na.
Oh, nice.
Para mamayang gabi yan. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
No, thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat for... Oh,
Ano?
it's big surprise.
Mapalaw mo?
Wala na.
Nawala rin sa panang loob.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Malapit Punta sa kanila ngayon doon. Maganda na kalsada doon.
Matadaanan niyo yung bahay namin sa Alido. Sa Alido Heights, yung bahay sa my side. Pagpasok mo sa Alido Heights. Oo, sa Manalo. Bago ka dumating ng CU.
Pero maganda na ang kalsada doon sa Juan. Largal ngayon.
Nakakaligaw na bang gusto ko huli namin kasi may answer.
Paano hindi ka mawala roon sa pangalan lang? Manolos.
Happy birthday, Manang, ha? Manang, happy birthday! Ha? 2 minutes na lang, Marico. 73 minutes to eh. 2 minutes na lang.
Ano sila ng bako?
Naka 45 minutes na ako. 45 minutes na itong kuha ko.
Ako sa Makati. Sa mall? Bakartor.
Oh, Dayday. Tingnan ulit. Ayan. Ito paborito kong kuna si Dayday eh.
How is everything alright?
All right, everything.
Ay, bagong haircut. Kaya ang pogi. So, hindi ko makakalala.
Kaya nga eh. Dayday, yung buko ka nga. Dayday, i-close up ko. Yung buko ka.
Huwag na ang buhok ko pag-usapan natin ko na lang.
Para makita yung...
Maganda yan ngayon. Mas pogi ka ngayon.
Oo nga naman. Mas
Nanghihina
maganda
na
yan
ako
eh.
na wala na yung buhok ko eh.
Oo na iba.
Pukupit talaga yun.
Pumogi siya ngayon. Pumogi siya.
Pare, pukupit talaga.
Rodney, there. Look over here, anak. There.
Ngayon doon lang naman
Mababait naman yung mga anak mo.
Meron siya noon, hindi niya lang gamit, alam na siya. Oo, binayaran niya, 500 ha.
Dadating sa March.
Solo mo. Magdugaw tayo sa
Technicolor
bahay.
ba? Technicolor ba?
Panuloy na. 3 color pa. 3 dimension pa, Ninong.
Anak mo, nagkampur dyan. Yung ba sa atin, nakuha?
Ha?
Dala ko rin yung kuko eh. Yung aking camera.
Dala mo.
Did you really use that? Hindi, ikaw yung mahusay na mag-video na eh.
Ha?
Para ka ng professional na.
Talaga, ha? Binola mo na naman ako.
Para professional ka eh. Okay.
Sa umpisa lang, ha?
Maganda.
Tingnan mo umpisa nito. Napakaganda ng umpisa nito.
Talaga.
Oo, tingnan mo umpisa lang. Ang beginning lang. Tingnan mo ang
Okay
beginning.
You're okay.
Okay, ha? Tingnan mo ang
I'm okay. That's
beginning.
what they say. You're okay.
Ah, talaga, ha?
We recorded the video for you. No, I mean the professional. Nahirapan kaya ako.
Rodney, come here.
Come on. There.
Where's Dennis? Dennis, come on, anak.
There. Hold on, let me take picture, ha?
Oh, I thought you did.
Come here. Oh, inside the bag. Not the movie camera, the...
Yeah, there's the small ones in the bag also.
Okay.
Not enough people,
Mamaya
not
papunta
enough
mo sa
hands
bahay.
to take care of it.
Bye.
Talaga to anak mo.
Ito.
Mare. Mare yung...
Kasi sabi uptown. Alam ni Bento ngayon? Uptown. Okay.
You want some more balloons? You're leaving also.
Serena, thank you, honey, for coming. Okay, you're such a thank you.
Yeah, you're What about Aiden? Dad, do you want to take the balloons home? Sure. I love that. Thank you.
Serena, take this.
Oh! That was me this time. Sorry.
light, that's why.
Ninong, alam mo ba? Yan na, pala yung kuha ko sa'yo, ha?
Balloons.